Welcome. Today, you'll discover the calendar features in the Access Pro mobile app and how to use them to organize your sessions and manage your work efficiently. First, go to the home screen of the Access Pro mobile app. At the bottom center of the screen, you'll find the Calendar button. From there, you can access the calendar to view and manage your recorded sessions. You can also view your calendar in different formats, by day, week, or month. This allows you to analyze your workload in greater detail, plan your sessions more effectively, and get a broader view of your schedule based on your needs. From the calendar, you can easily add new time records. Simply tap the plus icon, complete the session details, and save it. Each record you create will appear directly on the calendar, allowing you to view your sessions by day and maintain clear control over your scheduled and completed work. That's it. You now know how to use the calendar section and take full advantage of its features in the Access Pro mobile app. You can organize your sessions, log your work, and keep a clear view of your schedule all in one place.